The Outdoor Essentials Homestead picnic table comes in 3 separate boxes, each containing components to build your picnic table. Begin by unfolding the largest cardboard box and laying it down on the ground to give yourself a clean, protected surface to work on. Examine each board and lay the desired side face down. This will be the top of your table. Use a straight edge to align the ends. Using another cardboard box, cut off the tabs along the sides and place them between each board to create space. This will allow the wood to properly expand and contract without impacting the table. Starting from one end of the table, make a mark at 7 inches and 24.5 inches from each corner. Align the cleats at each of the marks. Attach the cleats to the tabletop with the provided screws. Then remove the cardboard tabs. Set the tabletop aside for now. With the desired sides facing down, place 2 bench boards side by side and put a cardboard tab between the boards on both ends. Center the cleat in the middle of the boards and attach it with screws. Repeat for the other bench and set them aside. To begin the leg assembly, place the carriage bolts through the bench supports and use a hammer to tap them into place. Lay the bench supports with the beveled side facing down. And attach the legs to the bolts with the pre-drilled holes positioned at the top. Fasten each bolt with a washer and hex nut. Leave the nuts finger tight for now. Repeat these steps for the second bench support and legs. Next, square up a leg assembly with the tabletop and inner side of the cleat. Use clamps to hold the legs and cleat together and attach with screws. Repeat these steps for the other leg assembly. For the diagonal brace, pre-drill screws halfway into the holes. Center it between the tabletop and the bench supports and attach it with screws. Repeat these steps for the other diagonal brace. Turn the table over and fully tighten the hex nuts. With the cleat facing down, center the bench on top of the 2 supports. Line up the pre-drilled holes with the bench support and attach it with screws. Repeat these steps for the other bench. Your homestead picnic table is now assembled. Check out OutdoorEssentialProducts.com for more outdoor inspiration.